you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you move it,
Okay, I took a long time to get ready to. 'Cause I didn't remember it, and my head got heavy like it tends to do. And I know that ain't part of the deal.
Hello po, good evening po. Full disclaimer, hindi po ako si Archie. I just performed it in the, I performed it po in the movie, but I'd just like to thank Archie for the song, beautiful song, for composing it. Thank you, Star Music, for producing it. And thank you for letting me perform it. Thank you po. And of course, yung writer po and producer si Kiko Salazar. Thank you so much po.
Nakataro ng Boss Kiko.
Yung writer po and producer si Kiko Salazar. Thank you so much po.
Nakataro ng Boss Kiko. Sini Panalo Pure Gold, Sini Panalo Film Festival. First film ko po, and maraming salamat po sa experience na to. Hindi ko po ito makakalimutan ng experience na to. Every time I feel like giving up, aalalahan ko lang ito experience na to at tuloy ang laban. And of course, audience choice. Oh my God, thank you so much sa mga fans ng Kingdom Rex, Jason, and Kira. Thank you so much po sa lahat po nag-black screening, sa lahat ng mga kaibigan, at kapamilya na pinagbantaan ko dahil pag hindi na noon. Maraming salamat po. Sir Chris, thank you. White Space, thank you. Iris Francisco, thank you po sa lahat po ng screening. And siguro po lahat. Thank you. Kahap family, maraming salamat po.
Okay, so first question lang, what are you most excited about for you? Ano na lang muna tayo, kapag panood sila ng movie ninyo, lang tayo, what can you say sa reception? Ang dami na-enjoy.
Very happy and super thankful that I was able to share this with you. This is my first movie.
nominees daw, pinaka nahirapan sila mamili kasi sobrang talented daw ng Lost Boy. What can you say about that? Kasi kahit nomination pa lang, panalo na yun. Even if it's just a bonus, it's a good feeling.
Super good feeling. It's my first nomination. I mean, not first, but it's my first nomination last night.
Hindi.
I'm so grateful talaga. Thank you, Super everyone on the set really helped me, and especially the artists. Thank you for all the writers.
And then last question na lang, what are you looking forward to the most tonight? Itong having a community filled with talented people behind the scenes, on-screen talent.
I'm looking forward to giving awareness to the short film directors actually. Because nakikita ko yung mga concept nila. Grabe yung concept nila. They're so creative and they're super, parang you can tell that they're really passionate about what they do.
Ayan.
Yeah, me too. I'm also excited to see my friends. I have a lot of friends here, so yeah.
Sa first day pa lang ng sino panalo, may tatlong black screen.
I know!
14 yung fans nila.
Thank you.
Sobrang thankful kami sa mga fans. Every so much.
Last question na lang, ano yung pinaka-panalo moment for you guys working together or for your first movie together tapos sa film fest pa ka, which is a good platform. Oo, together. On-screen, off-screen, yun.
The hard work that we built together. Parang, especially because he's the lead in this movie, so I saw him in a different light. How focused he is, how hardworking he is, how he gives his all. Parang mas hinangaan ko pa siya as a person and as an actor. Parang yun yung panalo sa akin na feeling ko, panalo din ako kasi yung partner ko gives his all, just like me.
Parang ang sarap ng feeling na working hard together, winning together, achieving together.
That's what I love doing about working with Alexa. We're super collaborative with one another. And whenever we're cutting, we always tell each other, maybe we can try this or maybe we can try another thing. And that's what I love about it. It's criticism at its best.
I love.
Well, bang movie na yung kayong dalawa namin kita? Kasi dito parang mas bigay yung mga lalaki.
Soon.
So, hopefully soon, yeah, praying.
Fine.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you guys.
Kapit ka lang po.